Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing what's necessary: an editor, a browser, and a basic HTML file. Create the HTML skeleton and add the viewport meta tag so layouts scale correctly. Then link a separate CSS file and choose mobile first rules. This ensures simpler overrides later. Once done, write a single column layout using flexible widths and relative units, because percentages and rems adapt to screen size. Make sure to save and open DevTools to preview immediately. You now assemble the layout. Use CSS Grid to define header, main, and footer areas, while Flexbox handles navs and cards because it simplifies alignment. Add min-width media queries for 320, 768, and 1024 to expand styles progressively. Once grid and flex are in place, size images and videos responsively with max width, 100% and height. Auto. Include src set for sharp assets. Also consider accessible touch targets and scalable typography, so interfaces remain usable as the viewport grows. You complete the site by optimizing performance and verifying behavior on real devices and emulators. Compress images, enable lazy loading, and minify CSS and JS to reduce load time. Once polished, run accessibility and keyboard tests. Responsive sites must also be usable. If things break, inspect with the device toolbar and toggle suspected CSS rules to find conflicts quickly, because layout issues usually stem from fixed widths or unreset box sizing. Make adjustments, retest, and deploy when stable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.